Right, sorry about the noise in the background. It's a bit windy out here. I am going to try this multisolve by C-Tec on my wheels and see how clean I can get them. Let's give it a go. Right, so let's put this to the test. We've got a bottle of multisolve here. I've put a light in there as well, just so that you can see all the brake dust a little bit better than, because the sun is actually shining on it. I can't really get a good picture of it. Let's spray it up here, see what it does. Right. As you can see, it's all starting to come off. Just leave it on for a minute or so. I'm just pretty much doing it straight away. So, what's the difference? But it will take everything off. And let's see how quickly you can get it all off. So obviously these are sort of the surface stains that you get. They're slightly easier to take off with multisolve. So you just put it on there and a quick wipe should literally take it all off. There you go. It's effortless. So look at that. That is clean. Now obviously for the gritty bits that are inside, they're more difficult to get off. But what I'd usually do is spray a bit in there. And I'll leave it for a minute or so before I jet wash it. And you'll see most of it will all come off. There we go, you can see it's all coming off there. It's great stuff. So what I'd recommend is spray it all over your wheels just before you go in for a car wash. Give it about a minute or so and then just watch it do its own thing. It's magic. There you go. So as this stuff is all water-based, you don't have to worry about anything. There's a lot of expensive stuff out there for wheels. I mean, this one, I've pretty much used everything on mine. Not on this car, not on this van, but on my car itself. But I think this does a pretty good job. If you leave it for longer inside as well, you've got the deeper stains of this all brake dust. It honestly will take it all off. And that's the end result. That's just some shadows, just not any dirt. Literally took a minute to get it all off.